Hello everyone, you are watching the Bharat and I am Divya presenting today's news bulletin. Let's start with some important headline first. Atishi said, we have a plan to make Delhi beautiful. Aam Aadmi Party will win 230 seats. Ruling Nepali Congress has an eagerly leading on the 48 seats, Oli's party leading on 32. Dhami government will meditate in Mussoorie for 4 days from today. Development roadmap will be ready. Will Hardik Pandya make a chance? Samson Umrain will get a chance. Now news in detail. The Aam Aadmi Party has put all its might into the Delhi Municipal Corporation elections. The party claimed that this time it will create a new record like the assembly election by winning 230 seats in the elections. Our correspondent spoke to Aam Aadmi Party MLA Atishi on the issue on which the Aam Aadmi Party is contesting the election and the challenges in its facing. The central government will simultaneously issue appointment letter for the confirmed job of 71,000 youth on Tuesday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will give appointment letter to the candidates through video conferencing. Earlier, PM Modi had handed over appointment letter to about 75,000 youth under the employment fair on Diwali. It is endeavor of the central government to fill the vacant posts in the various ministers and department in a mission mode within 1.5 years. Voting is to be held in the two phases on December 1 and December 5 on 182 assembly seat in Gujarat. The counting of votes will take place on the December 8. Prior to this, all the political parties have given their full strength from the election. The rhetoric on each other has also intensified. Big leaders have started holding election rallies. According to plan of the party, these meetings will be organized by the mobilizing a crowd of 3 to 5,000 people. Apart from this, there will be also a big rallies of the veteran leader. Now international news, the ruling Nepali Congress on Monday won the first seat in the House of the Representatives and is leading 48 and counting of votes from parliamentary and the provisional election began aimed tight security. At the same time, former Minister KP Sharma Ole's party CPN UML is leading in 32 seats. The little known Rashtriya Swatantra Party in Nepal is leading in 9 constituencies, while Rashtriya Prajatantra Party is leading on the 5 seat and CPN Moaz Center on the 12th seat. In the last 2 years, apart from the corona epidemic, many dangerous viruses like monkeypox, Nipah and the Zika have taken away the life of the lakh of people. Many people are still hospitalized. In such a situation, the World Health Organization has now embarked on a new mission to avert the impending danger. Under this, the health agency will identify and make the list of pathogens that can give rise to the epidemic in future so that work can be done on its prevention. We'll be back after a short break.
ITM हमारा इसमें बहती ज्ञान की गंगा है, इसमें रहती प्रेम की यमुना है, सिद्धांतों का उच्च हिमालय है, भक्ति सिखाता एक तिरंगा है, गुरुकुल जैसा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा.
Welcome back to the Bharat. To include Uttarakhand in the leading state of the country by 2025, the Dhami government is going to organize Chintan from today. This complementation camp will be held at the Lal Bahadur National Academy of the Administration, Mussoorie. CM Pushkar Singh Dhami, Vice Chairman of the Niti Aayog, Secretary of State Government, Head of Department and all other high officials will participate in the camp. Let us inform that this is the first Chintan Shivir of the government to prepare the roadmap of the development of the state. So far, 36 bridges have been found unfazed of the traffic in the safety audit conducted in the 5 zones of the state in the instruction of the Uttarakhand government. The work of safety audit of the bridges is still going on. Lonivi has handed over the safety audit report of 2,518 bridges out of 3,262 located in the state to the government. After this safety audit of bridges located in the 13 districts divided into 5 zones of the state was conducted at the level of chief engineer by the Lonivi. The report of 2,618 bridges has been submitted to the government. Now entertainment news. After Yash Raj film's successful films Dhoom and Dhoom 2, when director Sanjay Gadvi did not direct Dhoom 3, it was discussed that the due of the entanglement with the Aditya Chopra Sanjay Gadvi did not do this film off. In an exclusive conversation with the Amar Ujala on the occasion of the birthday, Sanjay Gadvi says every director has a 3-project deal with the Yash Raj film. After this, the director can go out of a. Every director has a 3-project deal with the Yash Raj film. After this, the director can go out if he want. I wanted to experience outside. Discussions keep happening. The Sanjay Gadvi can take command of Doom 4. Now, sports news. The last match of the 3 T20 series between India and New Zealand will be played on Tuesday, November 22. The team India lands McLean Park. It will look to win the series. The first T20 of the series was cancelled due to the rain in the Wellington. At the same time, India won by 65 runs in the second match played at the Mount Magnai, and in this way, he took an unaccessible 1-0 lead in the series. Talking about New Zealand, she would like to end the series on par by returning to the Napier. He will play T20 match for the first time against India on this ground. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the Bharat.